Guys, welcome back. Alexei from We Love Samples. Quick and tippy again today, and we don't want to waste any time. Jump straight into the session. We are still at this dice session, and there is another thing that I would like to show you today. So, I had this signal that I recorded, right? This dry dice sound. Then I turned it into something else, so it's a little bit different than what you saw in the previous video here. Watch it after this one if you like, because the tips will come. The ideas will come. This is what I want to share on this channel as well. So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you want to improve in audio and music. So, session, I will play the dry signal, and then I will show you something that is time saving and very cool, because I thought, hey, such a simple plugin, but it makes so much fun to experiment with super simple settings, because you come up with ideas that you would never have with your cutting here, cutting there, blah, 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 blah. So you put on the plugin and you see instant results that this is something special. Nobody heard it before, because it's every time. You can't copy it all the time. So as well, what I share with you, copy it, try it out. If it works in your session, awesome. It's not like connected only to sound design or audio music. You can apply it in your session. Just think a little bit more with your session. So for example, vocals or guitars or drums, whatever it is, percussion, doesn't matter. Try it out, experiment. This is what music and audio is about. We have to experiment, try things out, saving the presets that we really like as well. One important tip here as well. This is not the tip I want to share, but save. So I stopped talking, okay? I stopped talking. Now we watch what I want to share. There are so many things. I'm overwhelmed myself. So, dry signal, dice, okay? Let's play. Nothing special, a little bit different than the previous session. And now I turn on the Valhalla frequency echo. It's a delay plugin. It's still free. I will I believe it's still free. I will put it in the description so you can have a look if you don't have it, and try it out, because it's so simple. Two settings that are important for us, or three, but I will concentrate on two. So the first one is the feedback. It's turned to 0. Why? Because I don't want to have a repetition of the repetition of the repetition. So the echo or this delay is not feeding itself every single time. So it's just one simple copy, okay, of the original signal. And then we do have mix knob and delay knob. So the first setting, you see it, dice A, is 233 milliseconds. And the mix knob is turned to 64%. And now I play again the dry, and then I play it with this setting, and you hear instantly, huh? It sounds like it's a different recording, but it isn't. It's just a simple delay plugin. Awesome. So let's go. Dry. Turn on. Dry. Turn on. Do you understand the principle? You can try it on vocals, you can try it on guitar, you can try it on everything that you like. Just try it out. Implement what you see in this video into your session and see what works for you, what doesn't work. And yeah, then you can, have this wow, this wow effect. This is what we need. We need to be inspired. We need to see what other people come up with, those ideas. This is what this channel is as well about, to share my personal experience with you and, ideas, thoughts, what I have, and obviously giving you advice. Hey, watch this video, try it out. Please don't watch another video just to consume. Try it out on your session, and please use headphones as well. I still don't have this on the left side in order that I can hear my voice better due to the recording. However, use headphones, please, because it's not oftentimes it's not obvious. I told that as well in the first video. So then, second thing that is important, because it's a video game, and when you click on this icon where you see the dice, I want to have not the same sound every single time. So I want to have simple repetitions, a little bit different from each other, like we do have it in orchestral samples. For example, the piano, you never hear the same piano note that you hit. You always hear the same note, but you don't hear the same sound. So it's louder, it's quieter, and even if you hit the same, it's always a little bit different. The frequencies are different, the tone is a little bit different, the timing is a little bit different. So this is the same here. When later on the game, people will click on this dice, we don't want to hear the same sound over and over and over and over again. We want to hear 4 or 5 different repetitions that are randomly later on programmed into this game, and people enjoy it even more because it seems like, wow, it's like in real life. This is what this video is about, okay? So then I came up with dice B, so it's the second setting, okay? So I play it again dry and then wet with this dice B. On, off, on. Okay. What happened? Everything the same, makes the same, feedback of course 0, and delay 176, we had 233. And then setting number 3, so C, dice C, mix knob a little bit more, due to that I wanted that this tail of the delay becomes a little bit louder, okay? Because this mix knob means that we dial in the original sound, the copy of the original sound, and the more the mix is turned to the right, so to 100, right, into this direction of 100%, it means that it will be louder. So this delay is now 295, so roughly 60 milliseconds more than the first, and the sound is again different. Let's have a listen. So dry again. On. Do you hear it? Like the original comes to, and then so it's like the dice is talking to us. It sounds creepy, but it is like it is. So it's basically a language that we create with this dice and this. And you can again try it on guitars, percussion, drums, obviously, vocals, and whatever you like. Just try it out. Be creative, experiment, and use as much as you can, because you can come up with amazing things that nobody. It's so insane how much we can create today in those programs. You can be overwhelmed, of course, in the beginning, and oftentimes I'm like, oh wow, this and then this, and oh, wow, insane. But you still have to put in a little bit of time. Say, okay, now I focus on this, this, and this. And that's okay, that's enough. Okay, so that's it basically for today. Try it out, have fun with it, comments, likes there, subscribe here, coffee there, and I will see you on the next video, guys. Thank you for watching, taking your time, you're awesome, have a beautiful day, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.
Swag on over, little boy. Swag on over, little boy. Swag on over, little boy. Swag on over.